Hefty Ultra Strong trash bags deliver flexible strength to resist punctures, tears, and leaks. And they fight odors. Hefty Ultra Strong holds up to the aftermath of a dinner party.
Hefty, hefty, hefty!
Glad ForceFlex trash bags, designed with dual-layer leak protection to handle the heaviest loads. Buy now.
Dishwasher and dishes. Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner is designed to clean inside all models and even works while your detergent cleans your dishes. If cleaning without dishes, simply place one tablet in the detergent tray. For significant buildup, a second tablet can be added to the bottom of the dishwasher. If cleaning with dishes, place one tablet in the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, run a normal wash cycle, both with or without dishes. And use monthly to help keep your machine looking like new.